Okay, we're in the historic town hall here in Warren, and I just wanted to point out something to my attention that was brought to my attention. So this, I go over here. So this is actually the inside of the upstairs of the town hall building. As you can see, the stage is over there. I'll give you a tour in a second. So out here in the foyer, as you can see, it has decided to be a storage or dumping location for the police department. So as you can see, the stuff is stored here. That is actually property of the Warren Police Department. Thinks this is a whatever storage or whatever. Maybe some of it's junk, maybe it's not, I don't know. Maybe it's town surplus stuff. Obviously there's a Christmas tree they don't care about. But obviously it looks like crap of this stuff being stored in this building that is owned by residents and citizens and taxpayers of the town of Warren. So it looks like we have some radio related stuff there. That's more, it looks like cruiser related stuff there, Christmas tree, speed sign, additional stuff. So I just wanted to point that out. So for now I'm going to do a tour. I'm going to show you some other stuff up here that's in storage. Maybe it's legit, I don't know. But so we'll take a walk this way. So over here we got storage of more stuff of the Warren Police Department, as you can see from the sign. Bicycles, one police bike, Cannondale, and 2 other bicycles. What else? So we have storage of some other props. I believe it's used by the Parks Department. So we'll go work our way down this way. So we have more stuff that's being stored up here, as you can see right here. Property of Town of Rex. So I guess if you need storage, you could put it here. I don't know the legal ramifications, whether they're allowed or not, but obviously, in my opinion, if you're trying to preserve a building, you wouldn't clutter it with junk out of disrespect for the friends of the town hall and out of disrespect for taxpayers, citizens, residents who, who are trying to keep this building functioning and, keep it from falling apart. So over here we have some more stuff, and here just looks like just some props and stuff. And then as you can see, we have property of Parks and Rec sign again. More stuff here. I just wanted to give you a view, even though I already did some filming. So this is the original stage where they used to do things up on the stage. As you can see, the original curtain from a very long time ago. You can get a view around looking the other way. So I'll just make a loop around so we have some time. So we have some pictures here. Some more pictures here. This display here is from 1968. Stuff that went on here in 1968. Then we have some antique. If they're paintings or whatever they are, something similar to that. Another display here. Another display here from other stuff. April 2017, 1878 on that picture. 1991. And then we have some news articles and some books of some shows that were done here. Let's see if I'm angling down correctly. This one's from 1975, 1976, 1973, 1971, 1970 from the Lions Club, 1969, and 1974. So we have some additional stuff from the Warren's Lions Club here as well. As basically, here's a show program. I'm assuming that's from that one, 1957. Warren Town Hall, dancing after the show. It's really nice. I'm not sure what's behind that door, other than there's another room. There's another staircase that goes upstairs and a crack at the door. Actually, I guess I can quickly show you what you can sort of see. This is a set of stairs there. Anyhow, okay, so then, so this window here is the one that goes out to Main Street, Warren. The Old West Brookfield Road is diagonally out this window. All right, so we work our way this way. So we have another display here. This one's Friends of the Town Hall Incorporated, which is a IRS 501c3 nonprofit organization that is looking to help restore stuff inside this town hall building. So this is some of their accomplishments throughout the years that they have done. Everything from a Polish dinner, which I personally have participated in and bought food at. The kitchen over at the senior center, help with holiday baking. Friends of the Warren Town Hall Duck Race at Lucy Stone Park. Third annual duck race, as you can see, July 23rd, 2016. Launches at 11 a.m. Some pictures from there. 2015, another duck race there. Friends of the Town Hall, second annual fundraiser, etc. Some other pictures. And this one's from 11/27/2015 of baking apple pies. Third apple pie fundraiser. So as you can see, the Friends of the Town Hall Incorporated, which is a separate private corporation from the town, has done lots of fundraising efforts to raise money to fix stuff up here. All right, and then this is one of their other signs that they have here. So fundraising, grants, town support is how they're funded. Building integrity is obviously on the list. Working on handicap access is obviously one of the priorities as well. And the cosmetic appearance of the building inside or out. As far as projects, windows, portfolio, ceiling, bell tower. So these are all things that need to be worked on or they're currently working on. I can speak on the building integrity. I don't have the exact answer on that, but the outside of the building with all the radio coax coming down from the front of the building looks like crap. I've addressed it with the police department several times to reroute the coax or to do that, and they've refused to do anything to make this front of this building less of an eyesore than it already is. And so it is, in my opinion, that the police department doesn't seem to give a shit about doing anything to fix the outside of the appearance of the building. And obviously the management of the police department, which would be the chief of police and the police sergeant, which are non-union personnel, obviously don't give two craps about doing anything. Otherwise they would have wanted to be there for their community to not make the front of the building look like crap. And it's been looking like this since 2005, since I've been involved here. So I find that as pretty despicable as police department management to do nothing to better make the building look better on the outside. So that cosmetic really makes me a concern as I drive by this building and see that it's an eyesore from the front, which I find that very disrespectful to the Friends of the Town Hall, who are trying to preserve the building and make it look better and be a historic landmark, but obviously they're not doing anything. Okay, so we'll move over here, and so over here we have the West Warren Historical Books. He's a little, I guess, vendor over here, so he's got some stuff set up on a little easel over here. He's got some books that he's displaying on the table. And we're just talking to residents and stuff like that, explaining different things. So this was the corner. There's another room over there. Let me go over here. So as you can see from this view, let me move my camera. So you can see up there we have grandstand seating way up there from left to right. I'm not sure where that goes up into the ceiling. You can see that there was seating up there in that area from left to right. So just so you can get a better view of that. So I guess we'll go out to the front. So we have a police officer here. So how are you today?
How are you?
Good, good. Just here, keeping the peace or whatever? Okay, thank you. Oh, here we go, perfect. All right, we're actually getting another tour coming up. This is Tracy here. She's a very good person, and she's providing the tours today as a volunteer, and she's doing a great job. So we're going to just be here and that'll be cool. Where did she go? You have to stick with her.
Yeah, I think so.
The auditorium stage 30 and the seating capacity is over 500 people with additional step seating up on the balcony. The municipal offices were here until 1992 when they moved to the building, and the Warren Police Department is located in most of the first floor and not available for the tour. This building, other than the police department, has not been open to the public for over 20 years. The town has made repairs to the building, providing water, sewer, and electric to it. This distinctive town hall retains much of the architectural significance features with only slight alterations, and as such is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. The town entered into an agreement with the Massachusetts Historic Commission to maintain the building, and the Friends of the Town Hall are working through town support and future grant funding to continue the repairs to the building integrity, to install handicap accessibility, and to bring back the beauty of the interior in order to restore the building with the town of Warren to active public use. The next step, because most of the issues with the building are moisture related, is to purchase some windows for the first floor. The window replacement is allowed within the Mass Historic Commission requirement that not change the appearance of the building. Thank you for your interest and for coming to the open house today. Thank the Board of Selectmen and the Chief of Police for making this open house possible. Thank you. Please look at our displays up here, and Peter Hastings also has his books for sale.